Anna's Kitchen. And on today's episode, we will be making turkey breast, and it is stuffed turkey breast. So I bought the actual turkey and sliced the breast out of it, and this is how it looks like. So we're gonna stuff it with ham. You can stuff it with a prosciutto, any meat that you like. We need an egg, we need oregano, breadcrumbs, parsley, cheese, and salt, pepper, and olive oil. So before we begin, we need to combine a few ingredients. So the cheese, we need to combine it with parsley, and olive oil. So that will give very good taste. Do not salt it at this point because it's going to be way over salted. And we're gonna add a little bit of pepper as well. So now we need to prepare the breadcrumbs. These have absolutely no salt and nothing, and that's how we like it. So we'll be adding a little bit of oregano and salt. Salt again is to taste. Some people like more, some people like less. And a little bit into the egg itself. And we'll stir the egg. And we'll stir the breadcrumbs. And we'll leave them aside. So to assemble it, we open the meat, okay? And then we'll put the ham in here, like so. You can put 2 pieces. This is really easy, you guys, and it is so tasty. So we'll put a little bit of cheese. Like that. And we'll start rolling it. Okay, so before we put it in the eggs, we need to secure it with the securing sticks. Otherwise, it will fall apart. Okay, so secure it really well. So at this point, what I like to do is put on the gloves so it doesn't stick to you, because we're gonna be rolling it in the egg. Roll it, roll it, roll it, like that. And put it on the breadcrumbs. And preheat the oven at 400 degrees. Not degrees, sorry, Fahrenheit. And that is how it looks. And we're going to be transferring it carefully to the sheet. This is a parchment paper, and we can make more and put it in the stove. Now that we rolled all the turkey breasts, they look like this. They can be different sizes. Ones can be a little bigger, one's a little smaller. We put a little bit of olive oil on top on each one of them. Oopsie. Yep. And the oven has been preheated now to 400. We'll put them in and we'll come back when they're ready. So now I pulled out the turkey breast that is stuffed. This is how it looks. And it's been there in the stove for about 45 minutes. And we're gonna curve it now, okay? So gonna show you how it looks. Here we see that beautiful cheese. Ham. Parsley. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks, guys.